He's gonna do something.
He's gonna puke, isn't he?
Birdwell, don't puke!
It didn't help. Fuck no, it didn't help.
Suck it up!
Slap me in the face. You have to. You have to. Just slap me in the face.
It's not that. I have to scare you if you want to get rid of it.
No, you can slap me in the
I can't
face.
just slap you.
His pain will bring it out, I think. Give me a good slap. Right
You
here.
just slapped me twice and people think I'm a bitch now.
So you got to
Video's rolling.
man up.
Oh,
man
video
up.
is rolling.
Man up.
Did it work?
Why are you having him smack you, Bristol?
His ears
Yeah, explain this.
Why does that work? He's waiting.
Yes.
Yeah.